What's up, people? Today I'm doing a review on CarPro Spotless. We're going to show you how it removes tire dressing stains on a matte finish vinyl wrap. We're going to show you how this product will remove these stains that you get on your matte finish vinyl wrap from tire dressings. As you can see, we've got some staining. I'll show you some water stains right there on the hood. Let me see, it's hard to see it. You'll get some hard water staining on your vinyl wrap. Alright, so June is done detailing the vehicle. We're going to show you the spots that did not come up after he hand washed the vehicle. Alright, so first I'm going to show you right here. This is after a hand wash. You can still see the spots in the vinyl. Let's get a nice close up so you can see that. Alright, and then I'll show you the hood. Oh, he's going to spray that in a second, but there's also a spot on the hood. And there's a stain right there, it goes across the hood. It's hard to see it in the light, but it goes like this. You can see it, discoloration. Yeah. You definitely see it here. So, spray some water. All right, he's gonna spray a little bit of water and then CarPro Spotless. See, it was right there. Excuse me. And now it's gone. Again, above where those black lines were are gone. It's gone. Okay, so now we're going to show you over here. Apologies for the noise in the background. We are at a body shop and another detailing spot right out front. Alright, as you can see, gone. See that? Just like that. So whenever you see those spots, like there's some right there, these are from a little bit of tire sling from our favorite tire dressing, and water and soap just doesn't take them off. I mean, it does with a lot of hard work, but this stuff makes it super simple. Just spray it on, dilute it a little bit with water, and then wipe it off. All gone, just like that. Yep, all gone. So we use Crystal Products Untouchable Tire Shine, and when you let it dry, you get very, very minimal tire sling, okay? But even the littlest spots we can take off now with this CarPro Spotless. I'll have a link down in the description of this video for this product if you're interested in it. Yeah, and that's why we love this tire shine so much, because it's so minimal. There's just a little bit. I'm actually in the light, but you can see the spots and the staining. A little close. I'm trying to get a good angle to show everybody. The lighting is causing my camera to. There you go. All right, you see the staining. And just like that, it's gone again.
Ring.
Good stuff. All the spots are gone. All the spots that were in there, all gone. All right, that's it. We're all wrapped up. June's all done. My final thoughts on CarPro Spotless. Absolutely love it. For what we need it for a matte vinyl printed wrap, this stuff takes out all kinds of stains. It makes our life a lot easier. It makes his life a lot easier, my detailer. And I do recommend this stuff. This stuff is great. There you go, there's a shot of the bottle. I will have a link down in the description of this video for you if you'd like to purchase it. If you have a matte finish wrap and you're running into issues like this, try this product. If you have regular paint, you can look at some of the reviews, which I did on YouTube, to see that it takes hard water spots off. But mostly what we're using it for and what I'm recommending it for is anybody with a matte finish vinyl wrap, like a print like this. This stuff takes away tire sling stains, soap stains, anything that dries on the car, the hard water stains, takes it right out. Really good stuff. So, do me a favor before you go, hit that like button, hit the little bell notification next to it. Down here, somewhere below, click the subscribe button. Last but not least, that's all I got. You guys are girls be safe. I'm out.